Hi guys, how are you doing today? Welcome back to Arty Resin channel. So for today's video, we are going to make a home sign decor. I love working with this mold. It's in a really old mold, as you guys can see, because I've used a lot. I've done beautiful projects using it. I really like it. And today I'm going to use ultra clear epoxy resin for deep pours. And I have 300 milliliters. This is a 2 part A to 1 part B epoxy. So I have 200 milliliters of resin and 100 milliliter of hardener. And we also are going to use some fake rocks. I don't know like the real name of them. I like calling them like that because they are actually piece of glasses, but they look like rocks. They're from Dollar Tree. I love them. I love working with them. I love the colors. They have like different colors. And these are crushed glass. I bought from AliExpress some years ago. I bought a big package with teeny tiny packages inside, so I love working with them too. And alcohol inks, okay? I chose two different kind of blues and a white, so we can kind of play around with them and see how it goes. Okay, so let's start. First, I am going to introduce the glass rocks to the resin. I'm gonna mix them together and start to applying them to the mold. I want them in the bottom of the mold, as you guys can see, like a little, like I'm just going like to kind of half of the mold. I don't want the entire mold to be covered in rocks. And then I go with the golden crushed glass around, like between the rocks. And now I'm kind of fixing them, hoping they will stay in place. That's kind of hard, right? But we always try. So yeah, and then I am going to apply the clear resin. So here you guys will see that I will not fill the mold up to the top with the clear resin because we obviously need to save some space for the colors, right? So here I'll start to prepare the colors. I got the blue one first, and then the white one, and then the blue one. I am going to mix them, but I won't stir them thoroughly because I wanted them to look a little rough, you know, like I want to see the colors dancing inside. So that's why I did not mix it well, if there's a right way to say it. I hope you guys got it. And now I'm dropping some alcohol ink straight to the mold and using the stick to go around and kind of mix them. Now I'm gonna pour the rest of the resin with the pigments that I had in the cup. And I'm pretty sure I used the whole clear resin I had. I think I'm gonna add some more in the cup. Yeah, gonna add some more of the clear resin in the cup, but I won't add any more pigment. I'm just gonna pour it like that. I think it's gonna be it for this mold, but we're gonna have leftover resin, so I'm gonna do something else with it. Okay, let's set this mold aside because we're done with it. I chose this big coaster mold to use for the leftover resin. And then I chose 3 colors. This one is the rainbow alcohol ink. And then I'm gonna use sapphire blue alcohol ink and white alcohol ink. And I'm gonna play around with the colors, and I'm going to use the golden crush glass too. Okay, so here I came back to check if there were any bubbles, and I'm showing you guys that I had enough to do half of this teeny tiny cute bear and butterfly beret for my daughter. And I don't know why I decided to add more white to the coaster mode to play around with it. But of course, it would like, because this white is the deep white, so it will sink for sure. So I don't know why I did that, but okay. And yeah, I think it's gonna be a mess. Now I'm sure because I already demoted, but at this point, when I saw what I did, I was like, yeah, that's definitely going to be a mess. But okay, and there I'm going to, I am trying to cover that stubborn glass rock that is floating, you know. But I don't think it was enough. It floated anyways. But yeah, so I'm gonna be back for the demolding time. I'm back. Let's demold them. Okay, I'm gonna start with this one. Look how it changed. I don't know, guys. That's a mess. Look at that. Oh my god. It is a total mess. Oh my god, that was hard. Okay, yeah. Here it is. Yeah, it's not ugly. I like it. But we can see better. See, we can see the colors dancing. Not as much as I thought we would be able to see, but we can barely see the stones, like the rocks. We cannot see them because of the crushed glass. It was in front of it, but it's beautiful, right? I just need, of course, to trim. I gotta trim it, but I like it. Look. Really do. I wish we could see more of the rocks, definitely, but I like it. So yeah, these, and I made a little beret for my daughter. I unmolded already. That's so cute. So now I'm going to, I think I'm gonna put some dark blue in the back, you know, so the white can pop, and then put the thing, I don't know the name of it, beret, I don't know. the clip, you know, to clip in the hair. Yeah, so that was today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you in the next ones. Thank you for sticking around. Bye!